it to me. Yeah. Give it to me.
The first thing we'll do in order to make a beat that hits harder than an earthquake is create a lead melody that can hopefully bring my father back from getting some milk at the store.
Let me add a little bit of spice to that.
Shape a box for half time, EQ, compressor, and a stereo widener. That sounds okay, but let's add another layer. Okay, that's it for the instrumentation. Now let's work on some hard-hitting drums that are capable of starting World War III.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
Oh yes baby, I can feel it coming. I could listen to those drums all day, unlike my ex.
Can't do it.
You can! You can do it! You can! You can!
Now we need an 808 that is capable of getting you twins in order to play with, if you know what I mean.
This is my twin sister. Her name, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck me. See?
Everything's sounding good, but since my kryptonite is women, let's find some smooth vocals that can add a bit of texture to the beat.
I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it. I don't even know if you can handle it.